Overburdened cemeteries, fight to get essential medical supplies, and people struggling to save their loved ones. The damage due to the second wave of the pandemic has been irreparable. And in this virus surge, as many as 577 children across the country were orphaned after their parents succumbed to COVID-19. On the eve of his government's second anniversary in its second term, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a number of welfare measures for children who have been orphaned by the virus. Prime Minister chaired a meeting to deliberate on steps which can be taken to support such children and announced the launch of PM Cares for Children scheme. PM Cares Fund will contribute through a specially designed scheme to create a corpus of 10 lakh rupees for each of the child. This corpus will be used to give a monthly financial support or stipend from 18 years of age for the next 5 years to take care of his or her personal requirements during the period of higher education. On reaching the age of 23 years, they will get the corpus amount as one lump sum for personal and professional use. Children under 10 years will be given admission in the nearest Kendriya Vidyalaya or in a private school as a day scholar, and the cost of education will be borne under PM Cares. Students in the age group of 11 to 18 will also have the benefit of full funded education. For higher education, children will be assisted in obtaining education loan for professional courses or higher education in India according to existing norms. The interest on this loan will be paid from the PM Cares Fund. All children will also be enrolled as a beneficiary under the Ayushman Bharat scheme with a health insurance cover of 5 lakh rupees. Soon after launching the scheme, Prime Minister tweeted, and I quote, "Supporting our nation's future. Several children lost their parents due to COVID-19. The government will care for these children, ensure a life of dignity and opportunity for them. PM Cares for Children will ensure education and other assistance to children." In line with the centre's schemes, some state governments too launched similar initiatives.
अनाथ हुए बच्चों के संरक्षण और उनकी देखभाल के लिए एक विशेष योजना को लागू करने का निर्णय लिया है। उत्तर प्रदेश मुख्यमंत्री बाल सेवा योजना के नाम पर यह योजना संचालित होगी। इसमें जिन बच्चों ने अपने माता पिता को अथवा लीगल गार्जियन को कोरोना महामारी के कारण खोया है, उन बच्चों के लिए यह योजना लागू होगी। इसमें गार्जियन या केयरटेकर से अनाथ होने वाले उन बच्चों की देखभाल के लिए राज्य सरकार ऐसे बच्चों को वयस्क होने तक, यानी जब तक वो बच्चे अपने पैरों पर खड़े होते हैं तब तक ऐसे बच्चों की देखभाल के लिए 4,000 रुपये प्रति बच्चा प्रति बालक या बालिका वित्तीय सहायता उपलब्ध कराएगी उनके गार्जियन को या उनके केयरटेकर को। दूसरा, 10 साल से कम आयु के ऐसे बच्चे जिनके गार्जियन या उनका कोई अभिभावक नहीं है, ऐसे बच्चों को प्रदेश सरकार द्वारा भारत सरकार की सहायता से अथवा अपने राज्य सरकार के द्वारा जो संचालित हैं बाल गृह, उनमें उनके संरक्षण की व्यवस्था, उनके आवास की व्यवस्था होगी।
For the children not having guardians, such children will be put under child care institutions.
With this move, Prime Minister has enforced the commitment of his government that children represent the future of the country and their bright future is the utmost priority. Bureau Report, Republic TV.